Gentlemen and ladies, welcome back to my toilet that is my desk. So what have I got on the bench for you today? Well, I've got an old, well I won't call it old, it's basically a brand new gear reduction box with a stepper on the back of it that it's been built years ago and has never really been deployed. And what I wanted to do with it was put a stepper controller using an Android. In this case it's Android UNO underneath here, with a SainSmart shield, LCD shield over the top of it. That gives me the ability to see the display and have basically the buttons on the top. I've gone ahead and connected this unit to the Gecko G201 board. So what I've got is my power coming in here. I've got my wires for my stepper motor connected in next, and I've got my step and direction, current limiting device, and the 5 volts. I've just tapped off my SainSmart board to give the 5 volt reference voltage that the Gecko needs to be driven. So what can I do with this unit? Well, ultimately we can do some funky stuff like divide the rotation of this axis into known segments. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So if we have selected divide function here, and we'll pick 3 divisions, so technically 3 into 360 should be 120 degrees, so we'll select that, and what we get is 120 degrees per division. So now if I was to press a direction as such, we see that we get a full rotation of the axis divided by 360 degrees, so 120 degrees per rotation. The other stuff that we can do with this is basically do some jogging functions. So if I select into the jogging mode, I can jog the unit to the right, or I can jog the unit to the left. And I can do incremental steps in either direction as well, if this helps me out in some way or another. So just a really quick overview of what I've sort of configured here. I'll put some links to the software that I've used, because let's be honest, I didn't write this, and it's done by RODW, and I think there were some predecessors to that, but he's fixed up the code. So big thanks to everybody that wrote this code, but I thought it was a neat little project that I'd give a quick demonstration on, and I hope you found it interesting. If you do, big thumbs up please. Alright guys, thanks a lot, have a good day, take it easy.